Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, confirm your hardware supports HDR10 and 10-bit color output. Check your monitor or TV specifications before changing anything. Use an HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort 1.4 cable to preserve HDR signal integrity. Make sure your GPU supports HDR, for example GTX 10 series or newer, or AMD RX 400 series and newer. Update your GPU drivers to the latest release for HDR fixes and compatibility. Also verify your Windows 10 is version 1809 or later and ready for HDR. Next, enable HDR at the system level in Windows display settings for that monitor. Select the HDR-capable display and toggle Use HDR to on so Windows outputs HDR10. Change color bit depth to 10-bit in the advanced display settings when the option appears. If you see an HDR stream transfer or wide color gamut option, enable it for better color. Restart Windows after changes to lock settings. If HDR options are missing, update or reinstall your GPU drivers immediately. Finally, launch Pubg and open the in-game graphics settings to enable HDR. Find the HDR or HDR rendering toggle and switch it on so the game outputs HDR image data. Choose full screen mode so HDR can take exclusive control of the display pipeline. Adjust in-game brightness, contrast, and color space to match your monitor or TV calibration profile. Save settings and completely restart Pubg to ensure HDR initializes correctly. Now you will experience Pubg with true HDR.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.